Xeno's Pizza got 267,000 views on Barstool Pizza review, and they got a 7.7 points on One Bite by their reporter. But they're making a mistake that's costing them more than $8,250,000 that they're leaving on the table. Here's why I think an educational email guide can help them fix this problem. So the first thing that you can see, Xeno's Pizza has around 5,000 people going to our website a month, and like here, let me show you real quickly. They got 267,000 views on Barstool. That means they generate a lot of awareness and buzz around their brand, and making it one of the hottest pizzerias in Manhattan, in the Upper East Side, right? But the main thing that I see on their website is that they don't have a newsletter. So that means that 5,000 people, for example, like Anthony Poptiano also just gave them a shout out, which means that they're going to receive a lot of traffic. So James, I know that you're the owner of Xeno's Pizza, and I see that you're the owner of different pizzerias and different services, and I see that you're also on email. So I think there's a huge missed opportunity in order to by not plugging in an email educational guide, which I think you can educate, for example, people who go to New York, and they're not only interested about the pizza, they might be interested about what's the best thing to do in the area, right? So like you can provide them a guide. So for example, they will spend 5 hours of stuff to do in the Upper East Side, Central Park, and all that. But what if you can provide them that research and that guide? By when they go to your website, you provide them like a valuable guide of the five biggest mistakes they do when visiting New York, and how what's the solution, right? And part of it is like having an experience on Xeno's Pizza. I think there's so many things that you can do around it, and you also will build trust. You also nurture and educate potential clients. So I know probably also like people who subscribe to your newsletter, after the first time they go to New York, like you can what's it called, educate them and speak to them for the next time that they come back. So like you this way you can in a way retain customers and build like a database of hyper specific people who are interested in Xeno's Pizza, and we can definitely create for you other pizzeria brands. Yeah, this is some ideas. I can definitely create an outline for you, and if you're interested, we can definitely speak about me building it for you. Let me know. Have a good day.